on the way to the mountains. She's ordering 3 chicken. Doing this with my phone. And I want spicy. That's $2.90. But you can get Lechon belly. $2.90 is barely more than $5. And she got her hand out. I'm trying to shoot a video with the phone, which means I'm going to be shaking everywhere. $290 pesos. Coconut milk. Look at that. Freaking awesome. Can't see it very well. The time is about 11:15. This is going to be a terrible shaky video. I want you to see this barbecue everywhere. They got lots and lots of these. And they sell the crap out of them. So chop everything up. I don't let them chop my chicken because I like my breast and everything separate. But Giselle already had that done. That sure looks good. I'm hungry. And you get all that for 290 pesos. Maybe, oh golly, $5.40. Sure beats a dang Big Mac and fries from McDonald's. $5.50. Okay, we're driving up to just the mountains to Giselle's. He looks frightened. And check him out. Getting ready for Christmas. This is Saturday. And I saw them doing this on the way up. And he is gonna sit here and do this all night long. Gonna sit here and just turn this big pig. Anyway, this is what it's like in the mountains. We're on the way to Giselle's dad. Much cooler up here. So I just wanted to get a picture of that. Thanks, guys. But of course, they got a really cool house here with the gorgeous view in the back on the side of the mountain. And we oh, check that out. Look, Giselle. Look at that house. Man, that, I don't even know how to get there. Anyway, we're on the way. Okay, these guys are so good with this machete. Go ahead and show them. I'm gonna tell you what, I don't see how you could have a robber with a man that carries a machete and can... They cook a coconut like you can't believe. Anyway, what I'm doing is I'm getting the ice out of there, so I got a big glass because I like big glass. She is so proud that she's got presents for everybody. I have no idea what they are, but everybody's gonna get a present. This is Saturday. This isn't Christmas Eve, is it?
No, tomorrow.
This isn't Christmas Eve?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. Okay, anyway, she's so proud. She's got presents for everybody in the mountains at Dad's house. And we have quite a few people coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm not going to count them, but anyway, there's about 20 there. Smile. Look at all these future fighting chickens. Wherever you go, you will see these fighting chickens. Okay. Their corn never gets as tall as ours, but the ears seem to be just as big, so Monsanto or whoever the hybrid people are, I don't see that they're making the ears any bigger. Right there in front of us, banana trees. I think they take 3 years to produce bananas, and they're just planting them everywhere. Why wouldn't they? We're gonna go to Gishelle's mother's grave on Christmas, and I am going to time-elapse it. Oh my. Could you imagine carrying the concrete down here alone? Ah! They all have flip-flops on. My God, I'd be dead. Anyway, because, well, you can see the oxen trail, but everything is solid mud in the mountains, and there's no way he should be in flip-flops. He should be in dingo boots. Not dingo, those are cowboy. Red Wings. Man, this place is dangerous. Got that right. And he knows he's been coming down here for 50 years. He's 50 years old. No, I'm lying. Christmas Day, the 25th. And we come down here to their mother's grave. I know I've done this video before, but since it's Christmas, I didn't do anything for Christmas video. But every time we come here, she comes down here. And I don't come down here. I've already done that. She made me come down tonight. So, I walked out in flip-flops. And she made me put shoes on, because that would make a very good excuse not to come down, because I'd get hurt. They farm anything, anywhere, anywhere they can. You can see. And then over here we got banana trees, and right there we've got new ones. And way over here you can see we have a whole bunch of banana trees. And this is hard farming. Just imagine you have to walk in here to get to your farm to cultivate. Only one pig. I guess they're going to use him for personal use. Him, her, it. And then over here, this is Jachelle's uncle, and chili peppers, hotter than a firecracker. I was out here when they were planting this. I mean, he's got to be approaching 60, still 70, excuse me, still farming. Very impressive. Is this bunny rabbit actually loose? Albino at that. He is. I raised bunnies when I was a little kid, and he won't survive in the wild. But they don't have any, I guess a cat, any real predators. We came up a different way here. Look at all these chickens. Just chickens everywhere. Look at them all. These are very young or female. Like that. Oh, you can see that one's tied up. Male. And this is on the way. Walking. To the cemetery. I'll wash them when we get there. Hey, I'm walking in the mud. It doesn't matter. More mud, more mud. You might say we're off the beaten path.